All right, good afternoon, Cryptoballers. We're back. It is 12:07 Eastern Standard Time on Monday, August 17th, and we are in Bitcoin. This is part 3. Please make sure you watch the directional videos that we are doing today because of the market volatility. We are simply talking about direction. Okay, that's what we want to learn. That's what we have to learn if you're going to leverage trade is what direction is the market going into right now within the hour, within the 30-minute frame, within the 1-minute frame. That's where we are right now. We're in BitSeven. Love the platform. It's probably the best leverage trading platform for ease of use for beginners. Okay, and this is where we've been. If you watched the previous videos, okay, to follow along, we've been at this now with a number of videos showing the last exit entry point to the downside for us was 12,432.5. That's what we recommended. We want an entry to the downside. We are currently at 12,366. Waiting to get out, okay? Already, clearly, this would demonstrate an in-the-money downside trade in line with the seller's train, okay? Obviously, Bitcoin has began the day less than 12,000, surpassed the 12,000 resistance level, or I would say an emotional level for people in the market, okay? And it stayed above 12,000 for an hour or 2 hours or so, and then we were off to 12,400. But now the sellers have come in like they always do to take out the buyers, okay? And this is what we're doing today in these videos. Directional trading. Obviously, this BitSeven, as I always tell you, on this platform, this is the directional. Obviously, there's no Bitcoin. We're not trading anything in this account. I have other accounts with Bitcoin and Ethereum. BitSeven obviously only takes Bitcoin from your wallet, but once you get your Bitcoin into the platform, you then can use the crypto exchange to get Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. Look, this is to the downside, okay? Now, you could do what I like to do sometimes, okay? Not when the market is as volatile as, other days. Companion trading. Now, what do I see companion trading as? Companion trading is, okay, I prefer Bitcoin and Ethereum. I stay away from Litecoin and Ripple, okay? There's really not that much volatility in these two, okay? But I'm seeing a direction move to the downside. I've already got a call made, 12,432. We're already there, okay? We're already moving, continuing to move to the downside. The P&L on this is going to continue to rise. It is now up to each individual person to say, hey, listen, 10%, 15%, 20%, 30%, 40%, 50%, I'm willing to get out. I'm willing to take the successful trade. I'm not going to be greedy, okay? I'm willing to get out because this market, if this market's going to get down to about 12,340 range and probably swing right back to the upside, okay? So you want to teach yourself entry and exit points that you're comfortable with, right? But I want to show this real quick because I don't think this is going to change direction here in the next minute. Switch over to the Ethereum, okay? And let's look at Ethereum. What's it look like? What's the 1 minute look like? Okay, it's loading. I apologize. Slower connection, obviously. All right, I'm going to switch back. That graph, hold on. Let's do this. It's a lot. You got to sometimes play with these to get them where they need to be, unfortunately. Anyway, I'm going back to Bitcoin because I don't want to miss that exit. All right. Basically, it's going to mirror, Ethereum is going to mirror Bitcoin, okay? We're still here to the downside. Obviously, you can use these arrows down here. We're going to switch this up a little bit. This is what we're looking at. Look, it's already gotten down to 12.30. Look at that. Okay? Remember, 12.432 is where we entered. We're at 12.350. However, we've been as low as 12.333. That's a 100 move. That's a 100-point move, which would have been an awesome trade, an absolute awesome trade, ballers, okay, for you guys, right? Great call. Great to get in. Okay, great. So Joel out there with that call, that was an outstanding call, okay? And that's what we want to do. We're learning direction trading, okay? In the minute direction, okay? Buyers versus sellers, okay? Right now, we're still seeing it to the downside. Massive trade. Kudos to those guys. Like the video and subscribe to the channel, please. Go buy some Bitcoin. Trade on BitSeven.